Hello friends and welcome back, and the video you're getting ready to see is dedicated to the company Dossier. I'm going to give you a few details about the company before we get into the video. So first of all, I'm coming to you with a 10% discount code link in the description box below. Yes, I have a discount code for you. Dossier also has a welcome offer for up to 20% on their website, which means you can get up to 30% off your first order by using the discount code. The extra 10% will apply at the checkout on the top of the welcome offer. Dossier also has a new payment method that lets you earn store credit. Yes, store credit. Select Catch at the last step of the checkout and you can earn a $10 sign-on bonus credit. You can also get rewarded with a 10% store credit on every order. Okay? Now, let's get into the details. Dossier reproduces classic, high-end, luxury scents at a fraction of the price, keeping the exact same high quality by cutting all expenses and the infamous brand tax. They have a risk-free system, as I will go over with you, and a 30-day return policy. Affordability of their perfume in any scent can start as low as $39, where high-end scents can range from $50 to $280 in retail. They have free returns and exchanges forever. They do offer bulk deals. You can get up to 20% discount and free shipping if you get 3 or more bottles of perfume. And please click the link, go check out the website, subscribe to their website, and subscribe to their emails because they are always adding new scents to their collections. And they are always thrilled to take suggestions from customers for future releases. I am super excited to get into these scents with you. These are 2 scents that I have never smelled before. I am going to share them with you guys. And listen, click that coupon code, link down below, go to the website, and order you some fragrances. Let's get started. Hello dolls and gents, and welcome back to another review. And I received a package from Dossier. So if you guys don't know what Dossier is, it's a perfume company, and they have inspired perfumes or fragrances. And I don't know which one they sent me because I sent them 3 just in case some were sold out when they asked me to pick a fragrance. So let's see what they sent me. And I sent them 3 that I would love to try. It came packaged in a box. Okay, they sent me 2, so one of the ones I wanted must have been out of stock. Let's see which one was out of stock. I bet you it was the Baccarat Rouge 540 because they have an inspired perfume of that one. And it stays out of stock, but when I catch it, I'm going to grab it, y'all. I'm going to grab it. Okay, so let's see what fragrances they gave me and how they smell. I am super excited. I love this company. And a lot of their perfumes do smell exactly like the real thing. So if you haven't heard of them, there's going to be a link down below for Dossier Co. And, I mean, they've been on Teen Vogue. They've been on Insider. They've been on BuzzFeed. They've been on Fashionista. And when you first go on the page to sign up, you get a 20% off coupon. And they have everything, okay? Pretty much everything starting at $19. Okay, $19. So let's see what I got. I'm so excited. Iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I got Ombre Cherry. And Ombre Cherry, if I'm not mistaken, is the inspired one from Tom Ford. From Tom Ford's Cherry. I wanted to try this. Let me tell y'all. Okay, so look how much you get. You get a lot. A lot. Okay? The notes in this is cherry, almond, cinnamon. That's the top notes. The middle notes are cloves, rose, jasmine, and plum. Everything I love. Okay? And the base notes are Peru Basilicum, Tonica bean, and vanilla. This is inspired by Tom Ford's Lost Cherry Odor Perfume. The concentration is 18%. 18%. Let me tell y'all. Let me tell y'all. Ooh, woo, let me tell y'all. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna let that air out a little bit. I like that. I don't know why I'm such a cherry almond, you know, jasmine person. Oh, I like that. I'll let that die down some, so I can get the real. And they say don't rub. You're supposed to pat, but I don't want to pat because I'm going to spray the other one on this arm. So I just kind of want to fan it out. I definitely smell the cherry and the almond. I definitely smell the jasmine. The plum. Definitely the jasmine and the cherry though. Oh, I am going to enjoy this. Oh, yes. Yes. I think I sprayed this on my sheets since I'm recording in my room. That's a thumbs up. That is a thumbs up. This is Tom Ford, inspired Tom Ford, Lost Cherry. So I'm telling y'all, name brand perfumes now. Let's see what the other one is. Here's the other one. Yes, I chose this. I have always wanted to try the. When y'all hear the name of this, y'all gonna know why I had to choose it from them. Creed. Creed. If you don't know how expensive Creed is, go look it up. I hope I chose a good one. This is Fruity Oakmoss. It is inspired by Creed Aventus for Her. Creed Aventus for Her. Top notes: green apple, bergamot, and lemon. Middle is peach rose and yin yang in this thing, okay? And base is musk, oak moss, patchouli, and sandalwood. All scents that I like. All scents that I like. So, I'm nervous because my thing is a lot of high-end scents I don't care for. So this is a great way to try it. Okay, this one retails for $59, and that's way over half, 60-80% cheaper than buying Creed straight up. I'm telling y'all, straight up. Okay, they do have 3 other Creed perfumes. If you're a Creed lover, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, including this one. All right, let's get in it. Let's get in it. Let's get in it. And I have never been able to smell the Creed because I haven't been anywhere that has it. But I always see Creed, and I always see people talking about Creed, 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 Creed. So, but it's expensive. Okay. Let's get in it. Let's get in it. This is Fruity Oakmoss. So, this Tom Ford is more cherry fruity to me. This one right here, I'm getting the sandalwood. I love that. The sandalwood out of it. And I'm getting the patchouli and the yin yang. So the Fruity Oakmoss, which is inspired by Creed, is one that I would wear for a date night, a wedding, a baby shower, a work event. Very elegant, very up here, very like you're not going to spray this on just to walk out the door and go have brunch. No, you want to have brunch, you're going to do the Ombre Cherry. If you going out, and you want to make an impression, it's going to be this. Wow. Very elegant, very high class elegant. One of those, it smells like a high-end perfume. I am getting a lot of the, like I said, Oakmoss, a lot of the sandalwood, a lot of the bergamot. On my skin, I'm not getting none of the green apple from this. And none of the peach and none of the rose. I'm getting all the high-end scents. Now, everybody's body chemistry is different. This is why I love this company. Because I can try high-end perfumes. And if you don't like them, you can return them. You can also be a Dossier Club member, okay? You can join their club. How it works is you sign up, create an account, you get 500 points. You get points every time you shop, and you can redeem those points for discounts. 10 points, you get 10 points for every dollar that you spend. 150 points for leaving a review. 250 points for a photo in review. So you 50 points to follow them on Facebook. So you get all kinds of points if you join that program. They have a VIP program where it's spend $1. They have a silver program you can get in if you spend $150, and a gold program that you can get in. So awesome. You can also give a gift card, give something to friends. You can give them $10 and you'll get $10. You can do that as well. Let me tell you about their so when you do a return, what I like about them, and I wanted to get this right, that's why I looked it up. When you do a return, okay, of a perfume, rather than discard barely used perfumes, they donate the perfumes to the Give Back Box program. This is a non-for-profit organization that collects items like perfumes as well as other discarded items and unwanted goods. And they create a helpful inventory of items for charities that can benefit other people in clothing, homeless shelters, perfumes, women's shelters, household good for families in need. Okay, they are in the USA, Canada, and the UK. And so if you do return something, they don't just throw it away or throw it out like other stores. They donate it to people that need it, that cannot get it or cannot smell good or just cannot afford it. Cannot afford smell goods. So let me tell y'all something. Get it. Get it. Let me see if they still out of the 540. They still out of the 540. So when that 540 comes up, your girl gonna be in there like swimwear. You guys, both of these are keepers for me. Please go try out anything you want to try out. Anything you want to try out. They have some for $29, $39, $49. Try a $29 one and see if you like it. You can return it. You also get a 10% off coupon as soon as you sign on to the website and create a new account. I'm telling y'all, get in there like swimwear. Get in there like swimwear. You want to. Trust me. Both of these are love it. Dossier. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I am hoping that we can collaborate again on some of your wonderful scents. This is absolutely awesome. You guys are doing a great job, and I absolutely love the charity organization that you give back to if somebody returns their scents. Is to die for. Thank you so much. I absolutely love it. I love both of the scents. I am grateful for you choosing me for a collab, and I'll see you guys in the next video.